representing District 2 here. That includes Lake Merritt, San Antonio, East Lake, Grand Avenue, Lakeshore. A great part of the city of Oakland, and I think this is what makes Oakland great, right? Yes. It's our culture, it's our arts, it's our community that makes Oakland great and has made Oakland great, and what's going to continue to make Oakland great in the future. We need to come together as a community and get along. We absolutely do, and I think that the arts and the community is what bring people together of all different cultures, all different backgrounds, and I know we can make it happen and that we can do it. So with that, I just wanted to come out here. I'm going to ask for your support. One of the things that got cut in previous years was the Arts Commission in the city of Oakland, and I'm hoping that we might be able to bring that back to the city to help inform policies. To make sure that our vibrancy of our city continues. Thank you very much for inviting me here today.